Are you doing intermittent fasting and think that you still don't get the most of it? Well, you're in the right place because today we give you the ultimate guide to intermittent fasting to get the most of it. So, what is intermittent fasting? Intermittent fasting is not a diet but a pattern of eating and not eating. It's a way to schedule your meals so that you get the most out of them. It's as simple as it sounds: eat your meals during a particular time frame and fast during the rest. Intermittent fasting helps the body switch its energy sources from glucose to stored fat, enhancing fat burn and energy levels. It isn't necessarily about the kinds of foods you eat, although nutritious food choices are always encouraged, but rather when you eat them. It has gained popularity due to its flexibility and adaptability to various lifestyles. So, how does 16:8 intermittent fasting work? The 16:8 method is immensely popular for its simplicity and effectiveness. You fast for 16 hours and have an 8-hour window to eat. The flexibility comes from being able to choose when this window occurs. Most people prefer skipping breakfast, having lunch as their first meal, and finishing dinner by the end of their 8-hour window. It's not just about abstaining from food, but also about conscious eating during the eating phase. It supports the body's natural circadian rhythm, promoting optimal functioning and energy utilization. So might be asking, how should you begin your fast according to experts? Dimple Jangda, a renowned nutritionist, emphasizes the importance of beginning your fast at sunset. It aligns with the natural circadian rhythms of the body, promoting better sleep and hormonal balance. The body and digestive system get a restorative break during the night, preparing you for the next day with enhanced energy and focus. Eliminating late-night snacking also curbs unnecessary calorie intake, supporting weight management. What should your meal portions look like? Jangda suggests a small breakfast, followed by a substantial lunch, ending with a lighter dinner. The focus should be on nutrient-rich foods to fuel the body effectively during the eating window. Ayurveda, the ancient Indian science of life, also corroborates this, emphasizing the importance of aligning eating patterns with individual body types, Vata, Pitta, Kapha, to optimize digestion, energy levels, and overall well-being. One question might pop up to your mind: does body type influence the effectiveness of intermittent fasting? One aspect that isn't typically highlighted is the influence of body type on the effectiveness of intermittent fasting. Ayurveda, a holistic approach to health and wellness, categorizes body types into Vata, Pitta, and Kapha, each responding differently to various wellness practices. Adjusting the fasting duration to align with one's unique body type can optimize the benefits, ensuring the practice supports rather than stresses the system. Now let's answer this question: can intermittent fasting affect women differently? The impact of intermittent fasting can vary between genders. For some women, particularly those with irregular menstrual cycles or who are trying to conceive, caution is advised. Hormonal balance is crucial for women's health and well-being, and any dietary practice, including intermittent fasting, should be approached with awareness of its potential effects on hormonal regulation. So, what's the science behind intermittent fasting? Scientific studies have underscored the benefits of intermittent fasting. Enhanced cognitive function, improved metabolic health, and reduced inflammation are some of the documented benefits. However, the body of research is ever-evolving, with new insights emerging continually. Diving into this well of knowledge, interpreting it with discernment, and applying it with adaptability is integral to making intermittent fasting a sustainable lifestyle choice. Hugh Jackman, Nicole Kidman, and Chris Hemsworth are just a few celebrities who have integrated intermittent fasting into their lifestyles. Their approaches, tailored to their unique needs, schedules, and bodies, underscore the versatility of intermittent fasting. It's not rigid but adaptable, not prescriptive but personalized. Are there varied forms of intermittent fasting? The 5:2 method, alternate day fasting, and eat-stop-eat are other popular intermittent fasting modalities. Each offers a different pathway to similar benefits: enhanced energy, weight management, and metabolic health. Exploring these, understanding their nuances, and selecting the one that aligns with one's lifestyle, health status, and wellness goals is crucial. How can you make intermittent fasting a lifestyle? Integrating intermittent fasting into your lifestyle is about more than just timing your meals. It's about enhancing overall well-being. Combining this practice with balanced nutrition, regular physical activity, adequate hydration, and mental wellness practices can transform intermittent fasting from a diet trend to a holistic lifestyle. So what about the initial challenges that you might be facing? It's not uncommon to face hunger pangs, mood fluctuations, and energy dips initially. The body's adaptation to the new eating and fasting schedule can take time. Patience, persistence, and adaptability are key. Nourishing the body with nutrient-dense foods, staying hydrated, and ensuring adequate rest can mitigate these initial challenges. Can intermittent fasting be a community experience? Sharing the journey with a community can enhance the experience. Learning from others' insights, sharing challenges and triumphs, and navigating the intermittent fasting journey collectively can offer support, motivation, and encouragement. Every individual's journey is unique, but shared experiences can enrich the pathway. So, should you dive into intermittent fasting? Consider your unique health status, lifestyle, and wellness goals. Consult with a healthcare professional, especially if you have pre-existing health conditions or are on medication. Information is power, but personalization is key. Your intermittent fasting journey should be as unique as you are. If this deep dive into intermittent fasting offered value, insights, or encouragement, show your appreciation by hitting the like button. Each like supports our mission to deliver quality, insightful, and empowering content. Subscribe and activate notifications to ensure you never miss out on content designed to uplift, inform, and empower your wellness journey. Your health and well-being are worth it, and we're committed to walking this journey with you. Subscribe today, and let's transform your health together.